In this tutorial, I'll show you how to array light objects in the scene. This is how the scene looks like, and I have only used a cylinder, a plane, and a curve point to create the final render image. These are the light objects used in the scene, and they're the subdivided and arrayed planes. Let's create a cylinder and array it twice like this. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to click the 3D button and type E to extrude. In edit mode, once you're done extruding, type A as in alpha to select all, V as in Victor to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Time to add a curve modifier. We can't array the built-in light objects, because they cannot have the modifiers. We can certainly duplicate them, then it will be difficult to change colors or settings all at the same time. What I do in this situation to use as a plane as an emission material-based light object. This way, we can move the lights together, change the settings all at the same time, array them more if required, and so on. This was the material that I have used for the cylinders. I'm using a Forest EXR HDRI file. If you don't know how to find that file, please watch a tutorial in the description below. This is the end of the tutorial.